Hey guys, I'm going to go over the homework really quick, just in case there's any questions. For the Monday one, we have GCF and LCM. We learned this in the beginning of the year, so I'm going to zoom in right here for GCF. Since there's three numbers, what we're going to do this little ladder. We're going to put 14, 49, and 7. We got to figure out what number can go into 14, 49, and 7. So since 7 is a prime number, that means that the only numbers that can go into 7 are 1 and 7. So I know 7 can go into 7, I know 49 can go into 7, and 14 can go into 7. So I would pick 7 here. Then I would draw another ladder. So I'm going to do 14 divided by 7, which is 2. What's 49 divided by 7? It is 7. What is 7 divided by 7? 1. Now, these down here are all prime numbers, so none of them can go into anything except 1. So now, for GCF, you're going to highlight the edge and multiply those two numbers. So your answer here would be 7. Okay? LCM will kind of look the same, except you're going to highlight in an L shape at the end. So we're finding the LCM of 5 and 15. What number can go into 5 and 15? It would be 5. What is 5? Well, I'm going to draw my ladder again. What is 5 divided by 5? 1. 15 divided by 5 is 3. These cannot go into anything else except 1. So this one is different a little bit. And you're going to highlight in an L shape and multiply all of those numbers that are in that L. Okay? The L will go to the side and all the way at the bottom. So we have 5 times 1 times 1 times 3, which equals 15. So our LCM would be 15 there. Once again, we did that at the beginning of the year, so the kids should know how to do that. Next is the reciprocal. Right now we have 7, which is not into a fraction. If we were to put 7 in a fraction, it would be 7 over 1. So the reciprocal is I'm just flipping it. So instead of 7 over 1, I have 1 over 7. That would be my reciprocal. So instead of 1/3 here, we would have 3 over 1, which is also equal to 3. That one's easy peasy. Next is a mixed number. So we have an improper fraction. The reason why it's improper is because we got a big number and then a small number under it. So we got to figure out how many times 6 can go into 25, okay? So what I do is I put this in a long division type of format. My number up here will go inside my house. The number at the bottom will go on the outside. Can 6 go into 2? No. Can 6 go into 25? Yes, 4 times. 4 times 6 is 24 with a remainder of 1. Instead of putting R1, this will actually be the top of the fraction, and then whatever is on the outside right here will go here, okay? So my answer will be 4 and 1/6. All right. So let's look at the next one too. Once again, my top number goes inside my house. My bottom number goes on the outside. Can 9 go into 2? No. Can 9 go into 21? Well, of course. How many times? It goes in 2 whole times. 2 times 9 is 18. Subtract. And we get 3. 3 will go up here. 9 will go at the bottom. So it would be 2 and 3/9, but we can make this smaller by dividing the top and the bottom by 3. So our actual answer will be 2 and 1/3. Remember to circle your answers so it's easy for us to see what your answer is. Next is when there's there's a mixed number and we're turning it into improper. This is when we multiply and then add, okay? So we would do 4 times 4, which is 16, plus 3, which is 19 over 4. Once again, we multiply, then add. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 3 is 11 over 4. Well, I hope this helped you with your homework. I'll see you guys.